Going on a cruise should be an amazing experience, right? One where you don't have to worry about getting sick. But we're going to show you just how easy it is to get sick on a cruise ship. You're supposed to wash your hands before you go into any restaurant or buffet. But as you're going to clearly see, most people do not follow this policy. We were unfortunate to see this couple come in several times to the buffet, never washing their hands. Look at all the outbreaks that have occurred the last couple of years. Here's another one. Now this is what you should be doing every time you come in. Do you want any of these symptoms? You pay a lot for your cruise? I don't think so. This guy comes in, goes checks out the buffet, grabs him a plate. Unfortunately, I missed his sneeze right before he grabbed that plate, but it's all part of it. And they just keep rolling in. Our advice to you is if you are going to a buffet or a restaurant and you get the food off the tongs, you need to go wash your hands again before you actually eat your plate. It just amazed us how many people didn't wash their hands. It takes you 15 seconds, guys. Just watch them roll in here. And you'll notice the girl in the black, her job is to make sure people wash their hands. She's not even talking to anyone. She just lets them walk by, consistently walk by, over and over again. It only takes one sick person to come in there, touch those tongs, and then you've got a good shot at getting sick yourself. Just trying to eat some lunch or dinner. I imagine that if you were on a cruise ship and you got sick because some idiots chose not to wash their hands and you get confined to your stateroom for 2 to 3 days, you might be a little upset.
I don't know what's going on this ship. There's no hand sanitizer anywhere. And then the sinks are stopped up. There's no out of order on the door on the outside of the bathroom. So disgusting.
Day 6, still no Purell at the Italian place. Still no hand sanitizer, day 10 of the cruise. So yeah, remember next time you're on a cruise, don't be one of the idiots. Stop and wash your hands for everyone's sake.